Good day. I thought I'd take the lower left hand side fairing off my 2025 Panigale V2. So it fits in there like that. Here's the upper fairing, lower fairing beneath it. There are a total of 12 fasteners to remove. They're hex head screws, mostly black in color, a couple of chromed ones. And got those removed. The fairing comes off with this piece attached to it. This black piece is attached to it. It's screwed into the inside of the fairing. It comes off with the lower left hand side fairing. And I was able to do this with the side stand down, as opposed to putting the bike on a swing arm stand with the kickstand up. I'm not saying it's a recommendation. No recommendations here. Just let you know that I was able to get the fairing off with the kickstand down like that. And then you have access to the drain plug. Looks like it takes a 12 millimeter. Oh, sorry, 14 millimeter. My 14 millimeter wrench fits. No recommendations. Don't quote me on that. And then the engine oil filter, I believe, is in this fitting here. Looks like those are 8 millimeter. Take an 8 millimeter wrench socket, but don't quote me on that. No recommendations again, just overview of what I'm doing here. Doing this for fun. And then you have this mist filter access. And I thought, I'm going to get that out. I don't know what the recommended interval is for it anyhow. I'm guessing maybe it's an annual procedure. Anyhow, I remembered my Gen 1 Hayabusa. To get the front wheel off, you need a fitting like this. And turns out the 19 millimeter end fits like that. So I got that figured out. So there you have it. I'll get around to doing the oil and filter change once I figure out what I need to get for this. I don't think they're readily available around this area, but I'll look into it and I'll cover that in my next video. Thanks for watching.